Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video. Do you want this edit on Capcut? Let's start the tutorial. First, adjust your clips and add slow-mo in it. Now add keyframes for zoom out or zoom in. Follow my settings. As you can see, this zoom out transition. For make it smooth, follow my graph settings. Now add fade out animation in all clips and set it to 0 point to seconds. Add diamond blur effects in the beginning of all clips. Now the edit is ready, but something is missing. HDR CC. Add HDR to effect in your video. And follow my settings. Go to filter and add clear too. Now add adjustment layer and follow my settings. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.